In this tutorial, I'll show you how to flip a page in Canva. By the end, you'll be able to mirror a full page in Canva horizontally or vertically, keep all elements together, and quickly confirm everything looks correct. First, open your design in Canva. From the Canva homepage, click your design to open it in the editor. Wait for the canvas to load so all tools are available before you continue. Next, click the page you want to modify. If your design has multiple pages, use the page thumbnails on the side to choose the exact page. Make sure the page you want is active on the main canvas so the changes apply to the right place. Select all elements on the page using Ctrl+A. You should see selection outlines or handles around everything on the canvas. This tells you that all text, images, shapes, and other elements on this page are included. Selecting everything ensures the entire page flips together, rather than flipping only a single object. Click Flip on the top toolbar. You'll see this option appear once the elements are selected. Clicking Flip opens the flip controls for your selection. Choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. Flip Horizontal mirrors everything from left to right, which is useful when you want a mirrored layout along the vertical axis. Flip Vertical mirrors everything from top to bottom, which flips the design along the horizontal axis. Click the option that matches the result you need. The change applies instantly to the full selection, so you can see the mirrored layout on your canvas right away. Don't worry, this action is non-destructive. If it doesn't look right, you can undo it immediately. Adjust the layout if needed. After flipping, some items may shift slightly or overlap, depending on how they were arranged. Drag elements to fine-tune spacing, alignment, and layering. If any text or images feel off-center, use the alignment guides that appear as you move elements to snap them back into position. Check that important items like logos, headings, and buttons are still balanced and easy to read. If an image crop looks odd after the flip, click the image and reposition it within its frame so the focal point is correct. Make small, precise tweaks here to maintain a clean, professional layout. Preview the flipped page. Use Canva's preview to see the page without editor guides and make sure everything appears as intended. Look for any elements that might have shifted out of place, any text that now reads in an awkward order, or any images that need slight repositioning after the flip. If you notice anything, return to the canvas, make a quick adjustment, and preview again until it looks right. At this point, you've opened your design, selected the correct page, selected all elements, flipped them horizontally or vertically, adjusted the layout, and previewed the result. Your flipped page in Canva is now complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.